Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 No Signal issues. First, let's cover some initial checks. Make sure your HDMI cables are firmly connected to both your PlayStation 5 and your television. Sometimes, simply trying a different HDMI port on your TV can resolve the problem. If that doesn't work, consider testing with a new, high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable. Finally, a quick power cycle of both your console and TV by unplugging them for at least 60 seconds often clears up minor glitches. If the initial checks don't resolve the issue, accessing safe mode on your PS5 is the next step. First, ensure your console is completely off. Then, press and hold the power button, releasing it after you hear the second beep, which takes about 7 seconds. Connect your DualSense controller using a USB cable and press the PS button. From the Safe Mode menu, select Change Video Output and then Change Resolution to reset your display settings, which often fixes signal problems. Sometimes, the problem lies with your television settings. Double-check that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input source. Temporarily disabling Game Mode or other advanced picture processing features on your TV can also help. Within your PS5 system settings, you might need to disable HDCP, especially if you're using an older display or capture card. Also, ensure your TV's firmware is updated. Outdated software can sometimes create compatibility issues with your PlayStation 5. For more persistent issues, we move to advanced troubleshooting. Try connecting your PS5 to an entirely different display, such as a computer monitor, to determine if the problem is with your console or your primary TV. Rebuilding the PS5 database from safe mode can often fix corrupted system files. As a last resort, consider initializing your PS5, which reinstalls the system software, but remember to back up your data first. If these steps don't work, contacting PlayStation support is your best option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.